Right, this is a water testing I planned on doing and have finally done. I bought this TDS water tester from eBay in mid-2016 and it's now June 2017. And these are my results. Turning it on. This is pure water. This is Puro Pure Water. And this is the result. 001. 001. A bit of contamination I got, cross contamination. The first time I did it, I got 0.00. So 0.01 is a bit of contamination. So that's a Puro water. The next one is Sam Da Su Natural Mineral Water. The best mineral water I've come across. This is the result for this. .32 parts per million of total dissolved solids. 32. It's pretty good. This one is Sydney water, Sydney, New South Wales water. It is beautiful water, excellent water, and you can't tell when you drink it from distilled water, mineral water, or whatever. It's that good. But this is the result. .103 parts per million. So pure water was 1 part per million. Sam Da Su was 37 or so parts per million. This one is 103 parts per million. The next one is Sydney water with 1 grain of salt on the top. See that grain of salt, one like that, in a similar amount of water. And what do we get? We get 849. 849 parts per million. The next one is Coca-Cola. Let's see what we get. That's 569. Around 560 parts per million. The next one, final one, is normal table salt. And that amount is what's on the top of the lid. Just a few grains. I put a few grains there. About same amount, equivalent amount of the sea salt. And that's 860. So the same amount as the sea salt. 860, 849. So both about the same amount as sea salt. And that is the pure water. 100% guaranteed, free of chlorine, fluoride, sodium and additives. So that's 0 or 1 parts per million, which was contaminated. So there you go. Pretty conclusive. I got the water tester on eBay and it shows it works. Pretty cheap. Only about $12, I think. But anyway, whatever it is cheap. Nothing to worry about. So it's a pretty good test of what water. I'm mainly interested in fluoride